kind of business, and forgive my talk pisin. I'm not good in talking your language. Misabi pinis liklik tasolya. So I only learn milay kimwara. So anyway, let's start so that you guys can understand. And for the members, this is also a refresher for you to master the business so that you can present also the business very, very good to other people. And how I wish like somebody will volunteer maybe then after next Saturday, a Saturday after next, that you guys can do the presentation in TalkPisin, and then we will do the recording so that you can use. Okay, so welcome everyone. This is our company. The name is Echo and Green Choice International. In Papua New Guinea, our authorized business warehouse there, the name of the company is SGE Utilities Limited. But our company is Echo and Green Choice International. So guys, we are so proud to inform you that we are multi-awarded company. So it's not Gyaman company. And we operate legally. We have all the documents. And in fact, we have 3 offices. So in other companies, they have only opened Papua New Guinea maybe. Other companies, they maybe opened only one branch. But our company is in Switzerland. It's very important that our main office in the Switzerland. Why? It's so strict. Before you can open an office in Switzerland or a business, you have to go through with a lot of processes, including the investigation of your father, of your relatives, if you have crimes. So if you have crimes committed, you cannot open a company. They're very strict. And that's where our main office, this one, in Switzerland. And we're so excited because we have also Europe tour. Once you qualify the rank that you hit the Emerald, we have also Europe tour. And when we hit Europe tour, we will tour you around in our office in Switzerland. And don't worry because our founder and co-founder, Miss Bing and Renz, they own a very nice hotel in Switzerland. So in short, the owner of Green Choice owns hotel and other businesses also. So you have really a heart that you can trust right away to this company. Okay? And then we have also office in Asia, Manila. So let's say I know some of the Bratas and Susas sending their Pekininis to study here in the Philippines, in my country. So you can visit also our office. This is the address. And then if you will visit Philippines, let us know so that we can tour you around also in our office. But if you have also relatives or friends in Africa, we have also one Pla branch there in Cape Town. Cape Town is in southern part of Africa, and it's a very nice country. I was there twice already, very cold because they are facing Antarctica, and very lovely place. I should say like Cape Town is like more than Europe. Very nice country. Okay? So these are the three branches of the company. So, but we welcome people who will open a branch like these Tupla people. One person named Obed Moyombi opened branch in Democratic Republic of Congo. So he opened 5 branches there. In Papua New Guinea, we have our master business warehouse owner, Yangon Nawayap. And if you want to become a business warehouse in Ley, you want to become a business warehouse in Kokopo, in Mount Hagen, or in any 22 provinces in Bougainville, please let us know because we are welcoming also business warehouses since Yangon is our master business warehouse. But you can no longer open Port Moresby because that's where our master business warehouse opened her branch. So here are the board of directors of the company. You have met already us, Miss Bing and Renz. Fred Tenhap, he is our chief finance officer in Switzerland. And the most handsome of them all, your brata from another mother, named Blomy Dan. And then Larvi is our vice president for expansions. And another one is our Vice President for Operations, Miss Marlene. Okay, so what we do here in Equan Green Choice, we distribute problem-solving product. I know, guys, plenty people now suffering from problems. Okay, so we have problems that can address the health. And you know what, guys? I lost my mom last July 4th, July 1st of 2010. And it was really devastating because she passed away due to cardiac arrest. And I always believe that to stay healthy is more than the wealth that we have. Now, a way to stay healthy, we have partnered a very powerful supplement. We call it Dukodami. It's now available in Papua New Guinea. And this Dukodami, it's from the leaf, this one. The smell of the leaf is like smell of a fish. When I was here in Papua New Guinea, we used to go sometimes in Cookie Market. But if there are rascals fighting there, so we cannot go sometimes. So in Cookie Market, we used to buy lobsters and fresh, fish. And you can smell that the Cookie Market is also smells like fish. So this Dukodami smells like fish. I tried to eat it, the live plant. How I wish that we can bring one live plant in Papua New Guinea so that you can display in your office, but we can't. So this product is very good to address all kinds of sickness. In short, this can make your body strong. Okay? So I'm holding this product. Okay, I'll show you. And if you have there in Papua New Guinea, you can visit also our office. This one, the Dukodami. So you will just use 1 plaque capsule or 2 plaque capsule one night before you go to bed, 2 hours before you sleep. So this product is helping you. If you are not sick, when you take this product, this is prevention for you from getting sickness. But if you are sick, it will activate the T cell, NK cell, and B cell in your body to fight. It's like those T cells, NK cells, and B cells, they are like the boxers. If there's foreign virus or anything that can damage the body, they will fight back. So that's what the Dukodami capsule is all about. And don't worry, we have intensive training if you want to know more the details about our Dukodami capsule. So we have also testimonies. I know, you know what, guys, the Ebola virus, only few people survive with that Ebola virus. And one user is the user of Dukodami. Can you imagine? We have testimony that was able to walk again, like Mana Wanjal. She said she's barely walking before. And we have also Judy, for 9 years, doesn't have Pikinini, and then right now she may be delivered already her baby. Some in Mount Hagen, no baldness, like maybe there's medication ongoing. I don't know what is the story of this woman all about. And I'm excited to hear the testimony of this lady from Mount Hagen. And the hair grows again. And even the owner rents. You know what? This product, we always believe like everything happens for a reason. Renz undergo a surgery. He went to Thailand and then open eye surgery, and then supposedly the doctor told him that he will recover 3 weeks. But upon taking the Dukodami, 1.5 weeks, he was able to drink beer again. So can go out again. So very nice product. And we have also coffee. The coffee that we have is so powerful. It has anti-aging. So in short, when you take Dukodami, it has glutathione, collagen, L-carnitine, and it can make your skin more younger. So let me look him the audience. So maybe some of you, your age is 50. If you take the Dukodami, you will look like 30 years old. You will look like 40 years old. All right? And then I know that there are also Mangi PNG. The problem of men when we are younger, just like Brata Bloomy William, maybe he's still strong. When we are younger, the You know what I mean? The little junior down there. Okay. The problem sometimes, just cover the eyes of your pikinini, ha. The problem sometimes, as we grow older, that part is no longer functioning very good. When you take Dukodami capsules plus the Dukodami coffee, I'm telling you, you will love the result. You will surely love the result. And you go to the office, get the coffee and the Dukodami. It's really amazing. And then if you are married now and then you want to get pregnant, okay, you need to take Dukodami plus you need a husband. Because maybe you will get back to Auntie Joycelyn. Auntie Joycelyn, you gyaman. I'm taking Dukodami but I'm not pregnant. And then Auntie Joycelyn will ask, do you have a husband? No, God. So you need to have a husband also. Dukodami plus a husband. And you know what to do already every night, yeah. Ay, me liking what you're thinking, Brata William. Ha? All right, so let me go ahead and continue with the presentation. So this product is for Marys, for Pekininis, for any age. So instead of drinking soda that can damage your kidneys, might as well drink this Dukodami coffee that we have. Okay? Then we have also the Power Pill Plus. The very reason why we launched this product, because nowadays, if you are running a car, you're having a vehicle, I know in Papua New Guinea, some of you own Land Cruiser or any other vehicle. The problem is that the gasoline, the petrol, the diesel we are buying is so expensive already. Okay? Plus, the quality is bagarap. When the smoke coming out from your car, it's so toxic and can damage our lungs. And that's the problem. Now, what will you do? Before you switch on your car, when you go to the gas station, you put the power pill into the gas tank. When you put that, it can increase the power of your car. It's like having a Viagra of your car. Your car will a little bit run fast, plus more mileage. The gas meter will not even almost move because you can save fuel. Plus, the emission coming out from the car will not be dark. Why? It will be decreasing 80% pollutant emission. And then we are SGS certified. Now, look at these two lamps, okay? Now, the first lamp, this lamp, we put carpil. The other one, we don't put power pill. Look at the smoke coming out. Have you seen the difference? Have you seen the difference, Bratas and Susas? You see the difference, right? The other one that doesn't have a carpil, the smoke coming out, but the other one does have a carpil, the smoke is very, very nice. So let's help our environment, okay? So that's the beauty of our product. Plus, when you use this, the cylinder of your car will be cleansed. So at least your maintenance will be saved. So guys, very, very powerful product. Okay, then we have also anti-load shedding. I know in Papua New Guinea, load shedding is happening, outage is happening most of the time. Now, the good thing of this bulb, the one who make the lights of the BMW Diode International is the one who made this bulb. That's why this bulb will last up to 10 years of lifespan. 10 years. Can you imagine that? Now, you just use this as a regular bulb. You see this one? Just a regular bulb. Then when the bulb detect that there's no electricity, the bulb will turn on. But if the bulb is charged and then your buffalo was lost or your goat, I don't know if Papua New Guinea loves to raise also buffalo. In Philippines, our farmers love to raise buffalo. So if you lost buffalo or if you lost your wife, then you can use this. Just hold the lamp, then it will light up. It will light up. So you can find your wife if maybe your wife is going to another house already. Yeah. Okay, so very powerful lamp. So guys, we have the best product. And then very, very soon, we will be having a play to earn game. Right now, Pekininis are playing games, but they don't have money. But this time, when they play game, and somehow you can earn. And that is very exciting, very, very soon here in Echo and Green Choice. Okay? And then, since we heard you guys, you love the soap, you love the other products we have, we're trying to create a product. Instead that you guys selling the big tube for the Fereste Beauty, we want to have it in sachet like this, so that when you want to use into your face, you can salim 30 kina, and then you can just do like this, and then Marys you do put in the faces like that. Very powerful, yeah, huh? Good or very good? Because ladies, you need to be very beautiful, especially if you are married. You need to guard your husband. Your husband must see that your face is glowing. Because when you bring your husband at the Vision City, when they see a Mary very sexy, I tell me, their eyes will go straight right away to that Mary. But since you use the product, okay, when you use our product, your husband will go back to you. I'll always kiss my wife alone. Yeah. So very powerful product, guys. And we are still giving you more products to be offered in our company. So, guys, just stay tuned because we have so much product to offer for you guys. And in this business, let's discuss how to earn money. Yeah. Because another problem, this is what I always encounter, whether I go to Africa, I in Philippines, Thailand, Singapore, most of the people, their problem, what is this? Even the Philippines, a lot of Filipinos become nannies abroad. A lot of Filipinos going abroad just to work for their family, just to send money to their family. And here with Echo and Green Choice, you don't need to travel anywhere. Why? Because you can earn even no education blow you here, whatever education you're having here in Echo in Green Choice, whether you have education, whether you don't have, we don't care. As long as you want to help your family and you want to dream and earn more and you want to change the life of your family. Okay? The very reason why I would love you to I would love you to consider all of that, because before this is the problem of the moms. In Philippines, when we ask 20 kina from our mom, if they don't have money, they will do like this, blah, 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 blah. They will give you plenty words, more than 50 kina. But the bottom line, they don't have money to give you. I don't know in Papua New Guinea if moms do that also. If let's say doesn't have money, they always want to scold the kids. So that's the experience we have. Why? Because I was raised up with a farmer father. My dad used to plow in the field, bringing our buffalo in the field, planting corn, planting rice. That's why when we come back there in Papua New Guinea this year, we will travel all the way, Auntie Joycelyn, in your place in Ley, because we want to meet the Ley people and the Waywak people, or the Highlands people also. And then we will travel also back to Port Moresby, where we will have our event again. So I don't know if Yangon will get the stadium again, or the what you call this one, the I forgot your what's the one near in Ella Beach. I forgot that's where the president's having the meeting. Can somehow chat the name of that. I forgot the name. All right. It's Milos Tintim. Forgive me. I forgot the name. But That's near in Ella Beach. I can remember because when I was there in Apex House. Thank you so much, Sister Lucy. Apex House. So it's up to you guys which one we will have an event. Because when I was there in Papua New Guinea, we always love to, to do some jogging there in Ella Beach. And twice already I was able to swim there in your Ella Beach. I love your Ella Beach. Very, very nice. You have to keep the Ella Beach very, very clean because very nice place, yeah. All right. So why I transferred and I finished, when I finished studying college, I became an accountant and I want to earn money. But when I work in the bank, my first employment is a bank. Counting money, but in my pocket, no got money. So this is what I'm thinking, oh my goodness, even if I finish education, very good education, accountant, counting money, but in my pocket, no got money. And I said to myself, yeah, this is bad, yeah. So somebody invited me and the rest is history. And then when I do this business, this is what I understood. In our life, we have only 4 choices: employment, self-employed, business, and investment. If you belong to the left quadrant, the employment and self-employed, maybe some of you are managers, government employees. When your body is weak, when you reach 60, 65, your boss will replace you with younger ones. True, yeah. True, right? Now biscuit, ha? We love your Now biscuit. Renz brought some Now biscuit also when we were there in Papua New Guinea. So we carry your Now biscuit back to Philippines because I love it. I love the tomato flavor. Very nice, yeah. Okay, and also very, very cheap. Okay, so what happened is that if your body is no longer working, no got money. But my question, when you stop working, will your mouth stop eating or no? Will your mouth stop eating? Yeah. The more you need money. Why? You have a lot of teeth in life. Arthritis, diabetes, all the teeth. Okay. Because you will start harvesting all kinds of diseases for working so hard. All right? So right now, the good thing of Green Choice, you will look younger, you have your time, you can do time freedom, plus you have a very powerful supplement that can make you younger and healthier. My goodness, we have the best business so far and then this is the first in history of MLM, a product that really works. Other company, they just put a lot of 36 fruits and vegetables, but when you take it, none of them is working. But this one, just put this into your mouth and then you will see the result for yourself. Very, very, very powerful product. And soon we will have a liquid version of this one so that Pekinese can just spray in their mouth and then your Pekinese will be healthy. Are you guys excited? So we are so excited also so that you guys can have all these products. Now, guys, if you want to earn good, you need to cross over to the right quadrant. You need to become boss man, boss man and boss Mary. Okay? So, you will only become a boss man and boss Mary according to this book, Cash Flow Quadrant, if you have 500 employees under you, 500 people under you. Now, my question, can any one of you here hire 500 people? Tell me. Maybe not. Okay? Oh, can you imagine? Have you seen to Vision City? Who among you here been in Vision City, right? That's your biggest mall there. In Philippines, we have the biggest mall of Asia. We call it SM Mall of Asia. So, when you go to Vision City or SM Mall of Asia, can you see the owners selling products there? Can you see the owner selling the groceries? No. What the owner did, hire plenty people to work for them, and then the owner is just, relaxing, but plenty money po inside the pocket. Okay? That's the good thing. In Echo and Green Choice business, no need for you to open Vision City. Because no got money to open Vision City. Even all of us will contribute money. The building alone is already expensive, yeah. True, yeah, right? So, now, in Green Choice, my goodness, Liklik Tasol capital, but you can earn even up to 200,000 kina a week if you want to do this business very seriously. So guys, how to earn in this business? Very simple. I will just discuss now how to earn in this business. Number one, you can, as soon as you join in our business, you can do direct selling. Just doing buy and sell, just like buying and selling Mary blouses. Because I know Papua New Guineans, I love Papua New Guineans. Very business people, business-minded people. Even kids are selling buhay on the streets. So that's why I know you guys are very, very, very business people. And when I was there in Lay, Auntie Joycelyn, plenty Mary selling Mary blouses, and also the popo, the cow. I love your cow. They're very big plus very sweet, very nice. Okay, so and then even the Stop and Shop, the gate, you put Mary blouses sometimes on the gate just to sell Mary blouses. So you guys are very, 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 very powerful entrepreneurs. That's why I salute and I love Papua New Guineans. Very, very hardworking. Now, in this business, you can also do buying and selling. Okay? Just like you buy the Dukudami, because when you become a member, you have a discount. And the discount you have, the difference, I know guys, you love to Salem. You buy only 5 kina, you Salem 15 kina or 20 kina. I know guys how you want to earn more. So you can also this business. Buy 1 box of Dukudami coffee, like this one. Then there are 20 packets inside. So when 20 packets inside, you can sell them how many kina per pack. So, and then very nice product. Now, but I will not recommend only direct selling, because why? When your body can no longer selling product, then no more income. So just look at the profit every products you are making. If you want to have 500 people, we call it leverage. Meaning to say, instead of you selling product alone, invite your friends, invite people. If every Saturday we have this, invite people, and every Thursday I am doing training, guys. 12 noon, Papua New Guinea, every Thursday, that's permanent. I'm doing training. So guys, if you want to hire more people, the good thing is that you will not be paying their fortnight, but instead, as soon as you build the team of affiliates, the team of people that is working under you, guys, you will earn action bonus. That means in every packages and every products that you're directly sponsored are buying within 14 days, you get extra 5%, 5%, 5%, 5%, 5%. You see? So you have 1,000 people selling product, you're directly sponsored affiliates, 5%, 5% times 1,000. Very big money, ha? Okay. Another one is fast start bonus. We call it a bulk product order. Instead of inviting one people in the office and you sell him only one Dukudami, you will tell her, sister, why not also buy bulk products? Because as soon as you buy the bulk product, we call it package, you will become a member and you will get a discount. Okay? So the moment that person will buy bulk products, we will give you fast start bonus, which is depending on the packages. 10% that is including VAT. Example, this is you. You invite a friend in the office and then she understands the business. and bought a package, we call it some, let's say silver pack, guys, the company will pay you $19.50. So you are earning here dollars, dollars, dollars. Or depending on the dollar conversion, it's equivalent to 72 kina. So if you bring 100 people, 100 people, that's times 72 kina. So you have also big money. So unlimited, anybody. And then if these people are buying products also on your direct, you can earn 4 kina, or that's $0.79, depending on their product purchases. So another thing is team bonus. Now, you need to build only group of sellers on the left, or distributors or affiliates also on the right. So the left team and the right team, 2 teams only you will build. Now, let's say your friend you put on the left, that's Ed, and on the right you put Uncle Tony. I intentionally put it Tony because I was reminded by Uncle Tony when I make this presentation. So on the other side you put Uncle Tony. Now, if they are working so hard, let's say Uncle Tony, do you have friends also Uncle Tony? Correct. Because Uncle Tony is working with the education before, a teacher, right? If I am not mistaken. Now, he has also teacher friends. And her friends has also another friends and another friends. So it's just a building of network group of people. And the moment that these people will love the product, buy the product, each product, we put business volume. Each packages, we put business volume. And if these people are buying products, buying products, buying products, buying packages, guys, in your back office, every 60 business volume in the left plus 60 business volume in the right, we will pay you $18. So $18, $18, $18, $18, $18, $18, $18, $18, $18, $18, $18, $18, $18, $18, $18, $18 coming into your pocket. I can't breathe, so that's why I just stopped. So, in short, even if you are sleeping, $18, $18, $18, $18. Good or very, very good business. All right? I know you are so excited. Hamamas, right? Hamamas. So guys, this business is really amazing business that you can grab on. Huh? Okay. Now, in other company, they apply flash out. Like if you encoded plenty people, they remove all your points to 0. Other companies also, right now, they are making version 3 that you will earn unilevel, but it's only limited to that level. So what if you have the same positions, no got money? In Green Choice, up to infinity, even 1 million level down, even 2 million level down, the business volume goes to you as long as you have 1 PLA direct in the left and 1 PLA direct in the right. We call it active affiliate. You need only 2 PLA direct so that your sponsor will spill over people under you and you will carry the business volume. Okay? Because if you don't have 2 PLA direct, you will lose also the BVs. So just 2 PLA direct. If you have 2 wives, if you're a Mangi PNG, you have 1 PLA Bougainvillean wife, and then the other one is Easy Pick, then you put the other one in the left and you put the other one in the right. Do not mix them together. It's gonna be a big chaos. Okay. So, can you imagine? But here in Green Choice, we don't do that. We only use weekly capping, just like in a bank. You are limited only to withdraw that amount for a particular period, and then you can withdraw on the next period. So here in Green Choice, if you are an active affiliate, your maximum that you can withdraw is only $1,000 a week, or roughly around 3,800 kina a week. Now, if you want to earn more, then get promoted to higher level, because when you reach 3-star Imperial Diamond, your maximum earnings that you are allowed to withdraw every week is 286,000 kina a week. Now, Brata Blomi William, because I love they're smiling always. If let's say you are earning 200,000 kina a week, it's gonna be a problem, It's gonna be a problem. I will give you a solution. If you will earn that amount of money, call your, are you married or not yet? Let's say Sister Josephine, she earns 200,000 kina a week. Call your husband. Hey, honey, I'm bored. Today, pack our clothes. We will have our breakfast in Singapore, lunch in China, and dinner in Switzerland. Today. It's gonna be a problem, Okay? Then you will send all your Pekininis studying abroad, becoming a doctor, so that when they come back in Papua New Guinea, they can open the best clinic and then plenty more money. So in short, guys, you can do the best life to your loved ones if you have. In the Bible, the love of money is the root of all evil. But not the money is the evil. It's you. It's you, the person. Okay? Now, I know, guys, there's a problem. You see, when your Pekininis, you bring your Pekininis at Vision City and they love to, when they look at the dolls, they will cry. They will cry. Daddy, daddy, I want the doll. What do you do sometimes? Punk the Pekinini. Hey, shut up. No got money. But if you have money, okay, let's buy that. Then your Pekinini will not cry. Can you imagine? All right, so I'm almost done, guys. Okay, so weekly capping. Now, you just follow this one. The matching bonus is this. In every direct, aside from the $18, $18, once you hit Ruby position, and almost one Plameri is now in Ruby position na. I'm so excited. If let's say Ed is your direct, and Ed earned 286,000 kina, 10% goes to you. We give you 28,670 kina. Doing nothing. Maybe William is inside the loo, but when she opens 28,000 kina, you're hugging your husband, 28,000 kina. Isn't it a good problem? Okay, so very good business, very good platform, guys. We have plenty here. Plus, when you hit Ruby, you are also entitled with a bonus pool. Don't worry, we have a separate discussion for that. But bottom line, we are so transparent. You will see the income in the back office real time. It's like your personal secretary and accountant. Instead of hiring a secretary, you know what, guys? If you hire a secretary, sometimes they will try to change the figures. Gyaman sometimes. The sales is 10,000 kina, but they will say niya, Auntie Joycelyn, only 5,000 kina. But here, nobody will do gyaman talk. It's trupla talk always. When you open your back office, you will see dollars, including the reorder. Guys, that's why when you reorder product, it's also a challenge because the remittance, we're waiting for the clearing before we send the codes. But as soon as we receive right away, we automatically send. Now, if you want to help Yangon, because in the bank, there always limit in sending money, and the following day, be a business warehouse in other cities. Why? So that you can also send your own order. So that means 2 people or 3 business warehouse ordering, then the sending of codes and points is also very, very fast. Right? Plus, we have incentives. Now, in other company, guys, this is what I learned with my first MLM company. When I hit the highest position, they only give me the sash and the plaque. And then we'll say, congratulations, you made it. Those are the companies. Try to look other companies. The same. Here in Echo and Green Choice, what makes me more excited, guys? That's why when I met Renz more than a year ago and Miss Bing, when our meeting, when I saw the comp plan, I cannot sleep. I don't know, some of you, maybe when you heard the compensation plan, the possible earning you can have, I guess you cannot sleep also. Because every time I was sleeping, I will imagine my friend, oh, $18, $18. So right now, after the Zoom, when you go back, when your wife will talk to you, hey, what did you attend earlier in Zoom? Forget it. $18. Just remember the $18. I'm telling you, you will be excited because this will give you the best life that your family deserves. Lastly, we have incentives. In every position, you receive shoes, gadgets, iPhones, iPad, MacBook Air, Asian Cruise, good for two, Europe Tour, South Africa, Diamond Ring, Rolex watch. We give you savings money, luxury car, luxury condominium, and luxury house and lot for you guys. Good or very, very good business. All right, every Saturday, this one we have a raffle, but right now we are only 20 people. If we reach 30, we will raffle. If we reach 100, guys, this is my challenge to you, to all of you. If we reach 100 on Zoom, we will raffle phone. But right now, we are still 20, so it's a challenge. Auntie Joycelyn, next Saturday will bring 20. Sheila will bring 20. All of you will bring 20. And I'm telling you, aside from the awarding next week, you will have your phones. Okay, almost done. So that because our co-founder is already here to show us the office. How to join in Green Choice? Very easy. For as low as 138 kina or 155 kina, you can already become a member. Guys, but we have the Fusion Pack, 281 kina. We have the Basic Pack, Silver Pack, and Stockist Pack, whatever pack. Guys, as long as you start the business and start giving your best, doing the business, and your life will never be the same again. So I'm done. And tonight, I'm so excited to give the time now to our co-founder and shareholder, all the way live from our office in Switzerland or in South Africa. I don't know where is he going now. Renz Delstra. Renz, welcome back.
I'm here with my brother.
Hello.
Oh, Tristan.
He just arrived from Manila to Switzerland, so he's on our IT.
Yeah, that's our IT guys.
Hello.
Yeah. And let me show you guys. This is, hopefully you can see it. Hold on. Yeah. This is our office, guys.
Wow.
This is our colleague. This is our real estate colleague, Mr. Ulrich. So this is where we do business here in Switzerland. It's spring, but it's rainy today.
Wow.
So it's a little bit gloomy. But you see, guys, this is where we broadcast from on Saturdays. But during weekdays, mostly I work from my home office. Yeah. And you can see here, this is all things from around the globe. From our business partner, Mr. Ulrich. He's the founder of a cruise line, and he's been to over 180 countries, including Port Moresby. Thank you for the webinar, Coach Dan. Sorry, I was a little bit late because we had a meeting here offline. We're evaluating a new product for Green Choice. So we just had a talk with a Swiss supplier. I will now order. I will not reveal the product, but I will now do a test order. I will do a test order. But you might be in for a very positive surprise. And so the company is very picky on products. We only want to have the best of the best. Yeah, and when you have the best of the best, then your market stays always very okay. We don't want to have me too products. Yeah, we don't do me too products. Yeah. So this new product, I'm excited. It's made in Switzerland. They did some tests here with the local police, and it was very, very successful. Yeah. So let me see how I can this up with Coach Dan, that we can get some of these products in the hands of you guys, so you can see it, evaluate it, and maybe try it. Yeah. So, Coach Dan, that's it for me. My brother is a little bit tired.
Tristan.
He flew yesterday from Manila to Bangkok. Hours earlier, there was an earthquake
Yeah, earthquake.
in Bangkok.
Yeah.
But then he flew from 11 hours from Bangkok here to Zurich. And he is freezing cold. He is,
He's a Filipino now.
yeah, he is Foreignoy. He's Foreignoy. He's more Pinoy. Okay, back to you, Coach Dan. Thank you, guys. Love you all.
All right. Thank you, Renz. And are you guys excited for the product? Me too. I'm excited, Renz. What's the product you are about to reveal? Who's excited? Can I see the hands of those exciting Marys and Bratas in Papua New Guinea? All right. So, guys, um, let me try to read some of the chats. Maybe some of you, Lucy at Apex House, Nicole Mano. Oh, Sister Nicole, I really want one warehouse also in Waywak. We have high demand, Dukodami here in Waywak. I also need warehouse to be set up. William Repay to be set up in Barimu. A lot of vulnerables out there, high demand. So you see, product is amazing. The demand is so huge. So it's up to our bold affiliates to open a branch there in your places, guys. So we'll see, we'll see. Maybe Sister Lucy is one of it. I don't know if Sister Lucy. When? Okay. So guys, I'm so excited with the product right now from Switzerland. Another breakthrough product that you will be having, guys. And as Ren's promised, we'll be arranging it to be shipped to Papua New Guinea so that you can try some of the product. And you will never go wrong with us, guys, because Ren's experience in this industry is more than 3 decades. He's like almost 40 years in this industry. He grew up with the mom doing the business like this. I also into in this industry for almost for 11 years already. So plus Miss Bing is also a networker. So we are not just we are not just like an owner who are not experienced in this kind of business. We are trained, we are experienced. That's why we understand what we need to give to our distributor. So guys, I guess that's it because some of you are yawning and some of the Marys right now already turning off their camera with their husband. Maybe there's already something happening after this one. No, I just want you to smile. I just want you to laugh. That's why I inserted sometimes because it's so boring if you will just So, all right, guys. Good evening. Happy weekend. We love you all. Keep doing the business. We love you, and we keep on coming back Papua New Guinea. And by April 30th, please, please, because on May, first Saturday of May, we will announce the qualifiers for Asian Cruise. And then we will book the ticket already. So, I saw the post from our other companies also there in Papua New Guinea. No, not our company, but the ex of mostly, or some of you joined there before. Right now, they're having Philippine trip. But we're done already with the Philippine trip. We're moving away to the Asian cruise. After the Asian cruise, maybe some of you will launch because we are planning with Miss Bing, after the Asian cruise, we will do South Africa tour. So that when you travel South Africa, you can pass through Dubai. And in South Africa, guys, I'm telling you, we'll just always wow, 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 wow. You will see penguins. You will see elephants. You will see all of those creatures, and believe me, you will become like a pikinini again. And you will bring also your clothes because or sweater because it's a little bit cold also in South Africa. But when you travel South Africa, guys, get people there. Bring your flyers. Hey, you can be a distributor also. We have office in South Africa. Then we will visit our office in South Africa. But the ultimate travel, guys, try to work hard because when you hit Switzerland or Europe tour, we will visit the office. You see the office. We are not gaman-gaman here. You saw the office. How nice our office in Switzerland. Plus, as a secret, we will stay in the hotel of Renz and Miss Bing. They own a very nice hotel in Switzerland. Okay? But you can see their heart. They just love to help the people. So that's why Green Choice is founded with love, and nobody, not even the enemy, not even other companies can put a good man down. And I believe that we are blessed also with good men and women, good bratas and susas in Papua New Guinea that will make this business big. Congratulations, everyone. See you again next Saturday. And to God be all the glory. God bless him, you Olgeta. And good night. M now Biscuit. Love you all. Good night. Oh, oh, I forgot. Let's take a photo, huh? Sorry. Okay, 1, 2, turn on your camera. You do like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, next Saturday, don't forget. One more time. 1, 2, 3, smile. So next Saturday, we will announce the top 20 for March. And of course, Kai Kai again in Stanley Hotel because you love to have buffet always in Stanley Hotel. And then we will be inspired also with our guests, our newly awarded Sapphire 3-star. So we will also be inviting and giving her a chance to talk. So good night again, and M now Biscuit.